Sasa, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, watch, view and like. Okay, today we want to learn about fire alarm system. Fire alarm system consists of the following. One, we have a 24 volt alarm bell. This is Zeta model. As you see it, fire alarm bell model 24 volt voltage DC. We have manual call point. This is resettable. You see, we have a smoke detector. Please do not paint. This is smoke detector. We have also heat detector. Heat detector. We have alarm sounder, 24 volt alarm sounder. We have backup battery, 12 volt drum power, 12 volt 7Ah 20 hours. As you see it, then we have alarm control panel. As in where this is a alarm control panel. Alarm control panel, 4 zones, 4 zone alarm control panel. This is a set when you are doing wiring diagram for alarm detection. We need to have all items. This bell is just for giving sound. This is for it act like a switch. It is a manual call point. You just press here. This is a smoke. It detects in case of fire. It senses the smoke, then send the signal to the control panel. Then the bell starts to ring. This battery is for backup. This panel uses to 40 volts, but in case of when electricity is off, it uses battery for backup. It can run up to 24 hours. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Stay tuned as we continue learning about fire. Thank you guys. Please remember to subscribe, view and share. Thank you.